Do you suffer from constant bloating? We're about to tell you the possible cause and give you some tips to stop your suffering. Number 1. Sugars in foods. Saccharides found in vegetables and fruits are hard for some people to absorb due to the lack of enzymes necessary for digestion, which leads to bloating. Number 2. Enteric nervous system. When the brain is overthinking and worrying about stressful situations, our stomachs suffer because of the link of nerves that run from the brain right through the gut. Symptoms of an upset gut from stress are gurgling, excess gas, poor digestion, and sometimes bloating. Number 3. Milk intolerance. When lactose is not digested properly, gut bloating, pain and diarrhea can occur. Milk should enrich the gut with lactase, as milk naturally contains it, but it is destroyed when milk is pasteurized. Number 4. Celiac disease. It was first discovered in the 1940s and 50s, when it was noted that bloating resulted from a wheat diet and that the symptoms of pressure in the abdomen were absent in subjects on a wheat-free diet. Number 5. Non-celiac gluten sensitivity. You could have all the symptoms of celiac disease but have normal blood test and biopsy results. This is called non-celiac gluten sensitivity, and sufferers need to avoid wheat, rye and barley, also the oils from these products, the sugars from these foods, and additives that may be made from them. Number 6. Constipation. The harsh, insoluble fibre in your diet can cause constipation or a slow movement in the bowels. A popular medication includes mineral oil, or a better alternative would be to eat psyllium husks or slippery elm. Number 7. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. SIBO is a condition where too much bacteria is growing in the small intestine, which causes bloating, typically due to stress, a digestive issue, or surgery that upsets the digestive processes. Number 8. Bile acid diarrhea. When fats and foods are not being fully emulsified by bilirubin from the gallbladder, too much fat may be present in the stool, resulting in diarrhea and bloating. Number 9. Ovarian cancer. Bloating is highlighted as a common symptom of ovarian cancer. Therefore, if you suffer from constant bloating, you should see your doctor to rule out ovarian cancer. Number 10. Remedies. Check your eating habits. Activated charcoal reduces gas in the abdomen. General exercise and toning the abdominal muscles will help digestion and peristalsis and movement of the feces through the gut. Do you suffer from bloating? Let us know in the comments.